Need to update your Befunky password? Here's how to do it securely. First, open the Befunky app or website and log into your account. Once logged in, tap or click on your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner. Now, go to Account Settings or Security Settings. Look for the Change Password option and tap on it. You'll be asked to enter your current password first, then your new password twice to confirm. After entering the new password, tap or click Save Changes. Your password has now been updated. You can log in anytime with your new credentials. Make sure your new password is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Have you changed your password recently? Share your experience in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.